Unemployment in the country has reached its lowest mark since close to 20 years ago. And Labor Chief Bienvenido Laguesma is hell-bent and filled with confidence to bring unemployment down to sub-3% levels. As we hear more from PTV correspondent Harley Valbuena.
The Department of Labor and Employment aims to cut further the number of unemployed Filipinos. This after the Philippine Statistics Authority recorded a 3.1% unemployment rate for the month of December 2024, the lowest since 2005. At a Monday Malacanang press briefing, Labor Secretary Bienvenido Laguesma said they aim to achieve an unemployment rate lower than 3.1%. This will be through the implementation of programs in addressing the jobs mismatch, holding job fairs, and the creation of high-quality jobs. Secretary Laguesma added, the Filipino workforce should be ready for the 200,000 jobs generated from the investments accumulated by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. on his foreign trips.
Siguro kayo gusto niyo rin makita na mapababa pa natin ang unemployment level at tumaas ang ating employment rate at hindi lamang basta hanap buhay kasi ang aspirasyon ang direktiba ng Pangulo, tignan din na makalikha tayo ng mas maraming quality jobs.
When asked about the jobs created by the incoming campaign and election season, the DOLE stressed it focuses more on long-term rather than temporary jobs. Moreover, NEDA Undersecretary Rosemary Edelion added they will keep on pushing for inclusive working arrangements. Meanwhile, the Labor Department is also monitoring the emergence of jobs that use artificial intelligence or AI to disseminate disinformation and misinformation, especially during the election period. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.